Hey, what's happening? Welcome back to our channel where you're tuned in with your friendly guide to all things travel. If you're looking for an adventure that's totally lit, you've come to the right place. It's all about vibes, culture, and life-changing experiences, right? Well, buckle up, because today we're diving into the vibrant and enchanting city of Barcelona. I mean, who wouldn't be stoked to roam around a city brimming with art, history, stunning architecture, tasty tapas, and glorious beaches? Yeah, we're gonna spill the tea on all the best spots. But first, go ahead and smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Let's make sure you don't miss out on our next big adventure, alright? Cool, let's get into it. First up, we can't talk Barcelona without mentioning the iconic Basilica de la Sagrada Familia. This jaw-dropping masterpiece has been in the works for like more than 100 years and it's still not finished. How wild is that? The genius behind this legendary basilica is none other than Antoni Gaudí. I know, we've got plenty of Gaudi fanatics out there. This place is so much more than just stone and mortar, it's a symbol of faith and passion. Here's a funny little anecdote. Did you know that Gaudi actually lived in the basilica during his last few years? Talk about being dedicated to your work. Next up, let's immerse ourselves in the labyrinth of alleyways of the Barri Gothic, or the Gothic Quarter. Bruh, this place is the OG of Barcelona. It's where the city started as a Roman village. Every corner and every alleyway tells a story, so be prepared for some serious time travel vibes. Check out the Barcelona Cathedral while you're there. The Cathedral of the Holy Cross in St. Eulalia, aka Barcelona Cathedral, is the Gothic cathedral and seat of the Archbishop of Barcelona, Catalonia, Spain. And don't forget to pop into one of the cute cafes for a quick curtado. Curtado is an espresso drink of equal parts espresso and steamed milk. Kind of like a latte. And now, let's take a breather at one of Gaudi's legendary creations, Casa Mila, also known as La Pedrera. The organic lines, undulating facade, and the rooftop chimneys that look like alien soldiers. Everything about this building will blow your mind. No wonder they say Gaudi was centuries ahead of his time. From the architectural wonders, let's shift gears to Barcelona's social pulse, La Rambla. This iconic boulevard is buzzing 24/7 and it's a fantastic place to people watch or grab some delicious street food. Want a fun fact? There's a mosaic on La Rambla by famous artist Joan Miró, but people often step over it without even noticing. So, keep an eye out and grab a cool Insta-shot. But, what's Barcelona without its chill beach life, right? Let's head over to Bogatel Beach, my dudes. It's less touristy and cleaner than Barceloneta Beach, making it the perfect spot to soak up the sun or catch a game of beach volleyball. We can't visit Barcelona without stepping into the dreamlike world of Park Güell. Yeah, we're back to Gaudi, because the dude was everywhere in Barcelona. This park is like a page out of a fairy tale book, with gingerbread houses, undulating benches, and stunning views of the city. And if you're into symbolism and hidden meanings, you'll find plenty to geek out about here. Okay, so here's another must-see, the Arco de Triunfo. Nah, we're not in Paris. Barcelona has its own version, and it's pretty legit. It was built as the entrance to the 1888 Barcelona World Fair, and it's surrounded by lush palm trees. It's Def Jam spot for some pics. Last but not least, let's wrap up at the Ciutadella Park and Barcelona Zoo. This park is the perfect mix of nature, culture, and fun. You've got a zoo, a lake, several museums, and the breathtaking Cascada Monumental Fountain. Plus, it's a hotspot for local skateboarders, artists, and musicians, so the vibe is always on point. Alright fam, that wraps up our trip to the vibrant city of Barcelona. With such a diverse range of attractions, it's not just a city, but a whole vibe. If you liked this video and are keen on exploring more epic places, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your travel buddies. Before we sign off, remember, life's too short to stay put. So, get out there, explore, and make every journey count. Drop a comment below on where you want our next virtual tour to be. Keep the adventure alive. Peace out, keep traveling, and as always, stay awesome.